In the video today, guys, we're helping this lady who's had really itchy ear canals. This poor lady's been really struggling with this sensation in her ears. My name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates. So you can see when we look in this ear canal, it looks quite blocked up. We can't really see any kind of gaps around this plug here. It looks quite dry, which is another indication that the ear canal's probably quite dry itself. It's not got a lot of oil in there, which is going to moisturize and it's going to help to sort of loosen the wax plugs that we've got in here. And when somebody has quite dry ear canals, it does tend to cause a bit of itching. And if you've got a dry piece of wax on top of that, as your jaw moves, you're going to feel that sensation rubbing against the wax. So we've got this very dry first plug away here, just getting rid of some of these looser sort of bits at the entrance to the canal. Purely cosmetic, it's not going to cause any problems as far as hearing, but look at that dry bit of keratin there that came away from the top, almost like a little cornflake, if you like, that kind of dry, crispy kind of consistency, that's the word. But let's take a look beyond there. Eardrum looking lovely and healthy there. Now there is a little bit of keratin I can just see to the right hand side of the entrance of the canal here. So we're going to drop this over. Now lots of people in the comments say, oh, why do you just smear it all over the ear canal? Well, we're not smearing, guys. What we're doing is we're dropping over the top and drawing backwards, so it kind of shears that dry skin off at the entrance there to get rid of it. So you're not going to smear in, because as we're pulling it back, it's sucking into the tube. See that? Don't be afraid to ask questions, guys. You know, we don't mind. Chuck questions in the comments. You know, why did you do that? Why did you not do this? Absolutely fine. Pop them in. If I do get to see them, because I do try and see as many comments as I can. I don't get to see all of them. I do, because we're super busy. But I do try and read as many as I can. I will answer them then in the next video if we can. So here we go. We can see this is coming away. Look at that. Lovely long strip of wax, that one coming away really nicely there. Let's just tidy up this entrance a little bit. Same technique I was just explaining to you in the first ear canal. So we're just getting rid of these bits on the side. There we go. A little bit of dry skin. More little bits of soft wax. And there we go. There's the eardrum looking nice and healthy. You can see a couple of blood vessels there at the top of the eardrum. Nothing to be concerned about though. So we've got just under 2 centimeters, 3/4 of an inch of wax. If you enjoyed the videos, don't forget to like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for me. If you have earwax problems yourself, then make sure you check out the link tree in the description to book yourself an appointment with myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. And if you want to see us solve another itchy ear canal with a lovely anterior recess removal, if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll put a link to that up here in the corner. So make sure you check that one out as well, guys. But as always, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and take care of one another. And I'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.